tested the bike around here lang naman sa Mercedes, around here sa Garage Point, Manila, and we tested it rigorously together with Garage Point Manila team just to make sure na nasa tip-top condition yung bike kapag tinurn over natin siya pabalik kay JR. So ano ba yung mga ni-replace natin that we need to check if it's running well. So yung T-post, it should be aligned. Yung fork, kailangan syempre well-tuned yan, especially yung front fork and yung rear fork. So isa yun sa mga dinouble check natin, yung mags and yung tires. It's been tested by us, the mechanics, at the same time, mechanics ng Garage Point Manila just to make sure na everything is running well. Kasi, just so you know, yung bike na ginagamit or yung bike na minake-over natin is being used every day kasi yun yung main na trabaho ni JR. So, we have to make sure na all is running well kapag tinurn over natin siya kay JR. So, after the testing, binigyan na tayo ng green signal ni Garage Point Manila and I guess we're good to go.
This is JTech Moto Makeover.
Kamusta?
Ayos lang.
Kamusta?
Kamusta po?
Ayos lang.
Sir din, si JR.
Hello po sir. Hello po ulit. Bale sir, kasi yung problema natin sa motor mo sir is yung main problem nyo is yung fork. Alam ko sir, may mga matitulog pero hindi natin kaya nilagay yun. Kailangan dun tayo sa safety natin. So, pasensya ka na sir, medyo matititig pa yung motorcycle nyo.
Hindi rin kasi namin expected na ganun pala kagrabe yung nangyari.
Gusto namin talagang tulungan.
Tulungan, kaso yun nga.
Fortunately, ito lang ginagawa sa Pero yun lang, at least, tignan natin kung ano bang magiging ano. So, handa ka na ba?
Handa ka na.
Are you ready? Grabe.
So sir din, hindi totoo
Thank you so much sir.
na hindi namin napalitan. So pinalitan namin lahat. Pero JR, sabi ko nga, hindi naman, itong moto makeover naman hindi naman para ipaporma yung motor mo. It's more of we want na maging safe ka sa daan. So that's why nandyan ang JTech, nandyan ang Bosch, nandyan ang NOC Corteco to really give you a safe trip every day at career rider.
Safety riding naman talaga. Yung safety mo ang advocate natin dyan, na mga riders ng JTEC. Diba? O sige, having said that, start mo na yung motor mo. Yay! Congratulations to JR. Officially, you are Moto Makeover.
Hindi ko expected na makeover pala yung ginawa. Salamat sa Bike Night Asia at sa BSB John Rose na nag-asikaso kay Baby Pares. So makabiyahe na ako ng maayos, safety na rin dahil nabuo na siya. Salamat na moto makeover ako. Grabe, di ako mapaniwala. Ito na ba yun?
So guys, ito na nga. Natapos na yung first part or actually the first episode of the JTech Moto Makeover. Alam nyo, sobrang achievement sa amin to because pinlano namin to for like years since we started. Sobrang yung project na to is nakatenga lang sa board namin. And we're just waiting for someone to take it. Now, here, through BSB John Rose, we got JTech, Bosch, and NOC Corteco. Samahan kami and support this project to give back, to pay it forward doon sa ating riding community. Yung ating first winner, and he was recommended to be the first winner of JTech Moto Makeover because he really support Bike Night since day one. So, I first met him sa isang event sa Cainta, and then until now, nagsusupport siya sa mga event namin. So, I'm so happy for him. Hindi man natin nabigay on time, pero there's a lot of challenges. Ang daming nangyari. Ang daming init ng ulo ko sa mga to. So, anyways, he deserves it. He deserves a better motorcycle na safe siya, hindi siya mangangamba. Sobrang may peace of mind siya when he's riding. So maraming salamat JTech for this. BSB John Rose, NOC Corteco, and of course Bosch for having this. To our fellow riders, Of course, isa rin sa mga ginawa natin is yung mga legworks ng motor ni JR, and I would like to thank Garage Point Manila for accommodating yung mga mekaniko natin na doon gawin lahat. Kasi kompleto lahat ng gamit doon. Andun yung mga pantanggal ng gulong and everything. They're also one of our partners din na garahe. So, maraming salamat sa Garage Point Manila. They are located at Mercedes Avenue in Pasig City. Thank you so much, Garage Point Manila. Maraming salamat. So, this is Jeff of Bike Night Asia. Thank you. Kita-kits tayo sa daan.
Ang nakakatuwa yung nangyari. Nakita nyo naman, parang pati ako naging emotional na nung bandang huli. Salamat, Bike Night Asia, JTech, Kingpin Customs, Garage Point, sa mga tumulong para mabuo ang programang ito. So, marami pa pong mangyayari. Simula pa lang to. Who will be our next Moto Makeover?